In this video, I'll show you how to create a vocabulary acquisition assessment that can be used in conjunction with your PWIM vocabulary acquisition form, either as part of the assessment or just as a practice for students. To begin, tap Create, tap in the blank space to get rid of the Creation Packs menu, and then tap the camera icon to load a picture of your PWIM poster with the words already shaken out. If you haven't taken one yet, you can tap camera, walk up to your poster and take one. If you already do have one, just hit albums, go to your camera roll, grab the picture, hit cancel to close out that menu, then use two fingers to drag poster so that the words stay within the dotted lines, but you make it as big as possible. Something about like that. Hit Add Activity. Next. Then Tap and Type is the type of game we're going to create. And then I want you to draw a box around the word that you want them to spell. If you don't quite draw it right, just tap anywhere in the blank space and try again. Once you have the box around the word, tap the plus sign, type the word in the way you want it spelled. The audio recording is optional, but I think it's a nice feature where you tap the start recording, say the word, and then hit stop. Traffic. And that just gives the student a little bit of a hint. And that's what makes this on the iPad different from just a worksheet. Having the audio hint is the added feature. So draw around some of the other words as well. Unfortunately, at least in this version, poncho. At least in this version of TinyTap, it's not case sensitive. So therefore, a word like Chinese writing, where the C should be capitalized, TinyTap doesn't actually check that. So even if you put it in as a capital, when they go to play the game, if they don't capitalize it, they'll still get it right. Chinese writing. Perhaps they'll add that feature as an option in a future release of TinyTap. Once you've done all of them, you can record an intro by tapping the gear up in the top. Tap the blank spaces and type the word. Then you click Done, and you can click Play to see if it works. Tap the blank spaces and type the word. Traffic. Again, capitalization doesn't matter. If I spell it right, I get a little ding ding, and I'm good. If I spell it wrong, I get a funny sound, and it flashes red, showing me that it wants me to try again. Poncho. Chinese writing. And again here, I'll show you, even if they don't capitalize it, it still gives it as a right answer. Once you're done testing it, you like everything you want. If you want to go back and edit anything, you can tap on it and make edits to anything on the page. But once you're done and you like your game, hit Done. Give it a name that makes sense. Something to do with the picture and then what they're doing. Remember, the students will have to figure out which game you're wanting them to play. They're going to be the one tapping on it to choose your game in the end. description can help you or help parents if you decide to send this to parents. You have to categorize it, either language or assessment. Choose whether you want publicly viewable. Again, if you're sending to parents, it has to be turned on. And whether or not you want people to be able to edit it. I'm fine if they want to edit the game at all. Hit Save Game. Tap and hold the circle. It packages it, sends it up to the cloud, and now I can transfer it to any other iPad or email it to parents. How-to videos on that are in this same series on YouTube. If you have any questions, you can post it in the comments, and I'll try and get back to you.